Hey everyone, and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Jarvis A.I. I'm a huge fan of the Iron Man movies and comics. I'm also really interested in artificial intelligence, and I've always been fascinated by the Jarvis A.I technology that Tony Stark uses in the films. About the channel. So, I've decided to create this channel as a way to share my passion for Iron Man and Jarvis A.I with all of you. My goal is to build my own Iron Man suits and recreate the Jarvis A.I using real-world technology. And, of course, I'll be sharing my progress and all of the details with you along the way. What to expect? On this channel, you can expect to see a lot of behind-the-scenes footage, detailed tutorials, and explanations of the technology behind the Jarvis A.I and Iron Man suits. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics, as well as discussing the science and engineering principles behind the technology used in the Iron Man films. Conclusion. I'm really excited to get started on this journey, and I hope you'll join me for the ride. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And, if you have any ideas or suggestions for what you'd like to see on the channel, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.